All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:52 in the morning on the 21st of April, 2021. This is my morning strategy session. Um, it is quiet. Now, according to with respect to my strategy, with the respect to the way I trade, my style of trading, there just really isn't a lot at all on the scanners. I really prefer to go long than short on stocks. And there are two stocks on my large cap scanner that are green that have any volume whatsoever and have a gap up that's at all remarkable. Then there's Netflix. So let's just go over here. I've got a Fibonacci up here on ISRG at the moment. It's gapping up almost 4% pre-market. It's gapping up on earnings. So I imagine there are going to be some profit takers. I didn't put levels on this one yet. Alarms, I want to see where it opens at 9:30 in the morning. And then I'll figure out how I want to trade it from there. As of right now, I'm looking at the roughly $835 and $830 level for entries, but I won't know until the opening occurs. Yesterday, I had orders in on, I can't even remember the name of the stock, pre-market, and the price was up above my support level pre-market, and on the level 2, it was showing prices that were within my risk range, within my levels, and it opened up and did something completely different. Now the trade happened to work out. I got lucky. I meant to trade. The strategy still worked, but it wasn't according to plan. So I'm going to see where this one opens up today, and then see about where a good entry looks on ISRG. Netflix is getting a major haircut. Now, this has been forecast. This haircut has been forecast for quite some time. I didn't get in before earnings, but it's been forecast that Netflix would lose viewership and lose subscribers and start going down. So I've got a couple of levels here. This is yesterday's close at $549 a share. And this is the pre-market high, or I should say post-market high from yesterday at $515. So if Netflix comes up, bumps its head, and then comes back down again, and then fails, then I'll have an entry. I don't like to short stocks, but I will from time to time. Otherwise, there's really not anything. So I've got stocks in my small cap scanner, but the float is too high. The volume, it's the trades, the activity is crowded pre-market already. If the float is within my range. And the percentage change really isn't significant enough for me to want to trade it. So there are no small cap momentum stocks on watch today. On the S&P, if it goes as low as 4,081, then when this alarm sounds, then I'll trade the SPY based on that. The Russell looks like it's trying to bang out a bottom here. So if I can get an entry at 2,174 for a long on the Russell, then I will take it. And the VIX, I've got a level of 19.2 for a high on the VIX today. So I'll be using the VIX. I have an alarm on the VIX here, so I'll be using the VIX. If it comes up, bumps its head, and goes down, then I'll know there are going to be people who will look to invest. But I'm going to have to keep an eye on it because it could come up, get support, and keep going higher. So it's a tricky day. It is a tricky day. Silver is attempting to advance here. I'll go to the daily real quick here. You can see silver made a new low recently. It's most recent low. So here's the previous low, and now here's the current low, you can call it. So this could still be bearish. Silver usually reacts really well during inflation. If inflation just turns out to be episodic and non-trending, though, then the market will kind of sniff it out. So back here on this run, that could be the anticipation, the smart money getting in on silver before inflation. So it's hard to say. I mean, it's going to be. I may not even trade today. If the likelihood that I'm going to get good clean signals out of any of this is low. So I might just be sitting in my hands all morning. That's basically it. That's all that's going on right now, according to my strategy. All right, everybody. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.